Welcome back to the Marco Minute. I'm Brandon Blattle with Marco Construction Products. Today we're going to talk about the effects of weather on your concrete. This winter was pretty rough. We had a lot of snow and a lot of ice. And with a lot of snow and ice comes salt. Salt is placed on the road, it gets on your truck, you pull on your slab, and it can drip off. Whether you put it on there or not, salt will get to your concrete. If you've had that issue, what happens is salt will weaken the top of your concrete. Water will penetrate right below the surface, and when it freezes, it expands, popping the top of your concrete off. If you've had that happen, we have a product called CONCRETE RESURFACER from Rapid Set Concrete Products. This product right here is easy to apply. You can apply it with a magic trowel, which is basically a squeegee, or you can do a hand trowel and then broom it and make it look like a brand new surface. If you want to prevent damage from happening, this product right here called SALTGUARD. So basically what this does is it repels water, doesn't allow water to penetrate to the surface of the concrete, eliminating your freeze-thaw damage. For more information, you can reach us at Marco's website, marcocp.com. You can reach us on Instagram. We do some fun things on TikTok, and you can also see us on Facebook.